Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a product manager or you want to become one, then this video is definitely for you because today's video, I want to clear up a myth that slows down a lot of smart people in tech. Now, you do not need to write code to create serious impact as a product manager. You need to remember that what you need is the ability to turn confusion into clarity and turn clarity into outcomes. Now, let's make this relatable. Most PMs have had the moment where engineering is waiting, design is waiting, stakeholders are asking for updates, and you're thinking, what am I actually contributing here? If you've ever felt that way, you're not alone. The truth is, your impact is not measured by how many lines of code you actually write. Your impact is actually measured by how well you help the team build the right thing for the right people at the right time and with the right trade-offs. So in this video, I'll show you 5 practical ways product managers create impact without writing code. And I want you to think about this as career growth skills, leadership skills, and ecosystem impact skills. First, product managers create impact by choosing the right problem. Now, this is where real leadership starts. Anyone can manage a backlog. Impact comes from identifying the highest value problem and making it impossible for the team to ignore. Here's a simple question you can start using in meetings because you want clarity. You're asking, what is the customer pain? How do we know it is real? And what would change if we solve it? You can then answer that clearly. If you can do that, then you're already doing leadership work because you are protecting the team from building just based on noise. Second is product managers create impact by making decisions with evidence. Now, a lot of teams drown in opinions. Your job as a PM is to bring signal, and that signal can come from user interviews, data, customer support tickets, sales calls, or even patterns you see in churn reasons. So you can try this practical habit every week, collect 5 insights, 2 from users, maybe 2 from data, and 1 from frontline teams like support or sales. Then share a short summary with your team. Not a long report, just what we learned, what it means, what we should do next. This is how you become a high trust product leader. Now, people start to rely on you because you do not just guess loudly, you actually learn clearly. 30, product managers create impact by aligning people around outcomes and not just tasks. Now, this is one of the biggest career accelerations. The PMs who can align stakeholders is the PM who would actually get promoted. So you can say things like, instead of saying, we're building feature A and feature B, you lead with outcomes. Okay, we're not improving checkout completion or we're reducing cancellations, we are increasing repeat purchase. Then you ask the team, what is the smallest set of bets we can make to move this outcome? What you realize is when you do this, you change the culture from shipping to learning, and that is core leadership. Fourth, product managers create impact by designing the experiment, not just the feature. Now, remember that a feature is a guess, an experiment is a disciplined guess. So before building start, you can ask this question: what are we tested? What will success look like? How will we measure it? And what will we do if this fails? You don't need to code anything to do this. You can test demand with a landing page. You can test usability with a prototype. And you can actually test willingness to pay with maybe like a pilot. You can also test the workflow manually with maybe like a concierge approach. This is what separates a feature pusher from a product leader. Now, remember that leaders reduce risk before they even spend months on effort, okay? Fifth, product managers create impact by building the tech ecosystem, not just the product. Now, this is where your influence becomes bigger than your job title. The ecosystem impacts could look like documenting what works so other teams can move faster. It could look like mentoring junior PMs. It could look like creating a simple template that improves decision making across organizations. It could look like writing a case study that teaches others how you improved conversion, or you reduced payment failures, or you increased retention. And if you want your career to grow, you can start collecting contribution evidence from now. Keep a running document of problems you solved, decisions you influenced, and outcomes that you drove. Save screenshots of dashboards, research insights, and before and after results. Then ask leaders you've worked with to write short recommendation notes while the project is still fresh. This is how you build a portfolio that speaks even when you are not in the room. Now, let me give you a simple way to apply this immediately in your day-to-day work. This week, you can pick one product area and do this. Write just one clear problem statement. Talk to 3 users or 3 internal frontline people on your team. Pull one relevant metric, propose one outcome and 2 small bets to actually test. Then share with your team in a short message. What you realize is that is the impact, that is leadership, and that is career growth. And if you do this consistently, you will stand out in any company and in any market because you will become the person who helps the team win, not just shipping. Did you find this video helpful? Please do not forget to subscribe and like and share, and I'll see you in my next video.